everyone, this is YesTechie. We are in Ohio and today we're working on big UniFi deployment.
This is a huge logistic hub, around 700,000 square feet. We're installing a network infrastructure and wireless access points to provide our client with a comprehensive Wi-Fi coverage all around the facility. Let's talk about UniFi network infrastructure and what gear we're installing. We have 4 IDFs. We ran a fiber optic cable to each IDF. We have USW Pro Max 48-port switch. All access points connected via 2.5 gigabit uplinks. Access points, it's a U7 Pro XG. And of course, we have UPS at each IDF.
There are some complexities in this project. It's a 24/7 operational logistics hub, and there are a lot of forklifts driving back and forth all the time. We need to adjust our team not to disrupt plant's operations. Also, some of the areas of warehouse not that accessible. We even use our drone to help us to fish wires in some locations.
Like we mentioned, our goal is to provide our client with a comprehensive Wi-Fi coverage. The reason is they are going to use barcode scanners and they're gonna scan their products all around the facility, so the Wi-Fi should be strong and reliable in all areas. Before traveling to Ohio, we planned our UniFi deployment in advance. We used the UniFi Designer tool to determine number of access points and their exact location. After installation will complete, we will use NetSpot for comprehensive Wi-Fi survey to make sure our goal is reached.
We are back in LA. The Ohio project is successfully completed. We performed a full RF survey and the new UniFi network is performing great. The client is happy with the deployment and their new network.
Let's talk about the project timeline. The client reached out with an urgent request for wireless network. They needed to start operations on June 1st. We handled the planning, equipment sourcing, installation, and got everything done in just 20 days. The trip to Ohio and the actual installation took only 5. We've got a feedback from the client that turning around a network for the huge logistic facility that fast was pretty impressive.
If you're looking for a partner who respects your urgency and can operate professionally and fast in any US state, contact us. We will be happy to help you with your project.